In the tropical heart of Thailand, farmers cultivate one of the world's largest and most extraordinary fruits, the mighty jackfruit. The journey begins beneath the surface, where rich, fertile soil is carefully prepared to support years of growth. Each sapling is planted with precision in organized rows, marking the beginning of a years-long transformation. With tropical rains, warm sunlight, and constant care, the trees thrive season after season. Jackfruits grow directly from the trunk, with some reaching over 30 kilograms in weight. The jackfruit industry generates $378 million annually, making Thailand the undisputed leader. But this success comes with challenges like water scarcity, diseases like dieback, rhizopus fruit rot, and climate change. Harvesting requires precision, as each fruit can weigh over 20 kilograms and must be carefully handled by skilled farmers before beginning its journey to advanced processing factories. Inside high-tech facilities, every jackfruit is inspected, cleaned, graded, and prepared for processing. Workers carefully slice open the massive fruits and extract hundreds of golden pods, the heart of every jackfruit snack. Each piece is thoroughly washed and checked to meet strict quality standards before being transformed using advanced techniques like vacuum frying or dehydration, preserving the fruit's natural sweetness while creating a crispy texture. A variety of flavors, from sweet to savory, are then added, creating delicious snacks enjoyed around the world. Fully automated packaging systems ensure hygiene, precision, and speed as the finished products are sealed and prepared for global distribution. From Thailand to international markets, these tropical snacks travel thousands of miles to reach consumers everywhere. A perfect blend of nature and technology captured in every bite. From one of nature's largest fruits comes a sweet transformation into refreshing jackfruit juice. Every fruit undergoes strict inspection to ensure only the highest quality enters production. Advanced cutting systems efficiently separate the golden edible pulp from the thick outer shell, while precision blending and filtration transform the rich pulp into smooth, flavorful juice. Pasteurization then ensures safety while preserving the natural taste and nutrients. The juice is filled with precision and hermetically sealed to lock in freshness. Branded, labeled, and carefully packed, the finished products are prepared for global distribution to consumers around the world. If you like this beautiful journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more agriculture journeys.